Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. We are delighted to bring you this Honda Civic 1.6 i-DTEC SR, coming in the stunning blue colour with full service history and low mileage for its age. The colour is enhanced by the black exterior features including the boot spoiler and the grille with surround, as well as the chrome exterior features making this car even more eye-catching. We also have the privacy glass adding to the looks of the car and the security, as well as the 17-inch bi-colour alloys. To the rear of the car we have this boot space perfect for shopping or luggage with the retractable parcel shelf. And for additional storage space we also have the variable boot floor. Moving on to the interior of the car in the back, we have 3 full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests and armrests in the middle with built-in cup holders and ISOFIX points on the outside seats. We have the door and dash inserts brightening up the cabin of the car, as well as the two-tone cloth upholstery with the light contrast stitching, which is paired perfectly with the black headlining as well as the black carpets. On the dash we have the black multi-function steering wheel helping you safely and easily control the cruise control with speed limiter, as well as the central driver display screen giving you everything you need from car settings to the infotainment device features, making every drive that little bit more safe. In the centre of the dash, we have the touch screen, which houses Honda Connect with Garmin navigation for all those unknown roads, Bluetooth hands-free telephone, again adding to a safer journey. We also have DAB digital radio, as well as displaying the rear parking camera, helping you with all your sticky parking situations. We also have the dual climate control features, ensuring maximum comfort for both you and your front seat passenger. Just below the dash we have additional storage space as well as your USB ports. Then we have the manual leather-wrapped gear stick matching the rest of the car, your electronic parking brake, the cup holders for both front seat drivers and the armrest which you can move to give you additional storage space. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.